Come down with this look on her face, guys.
Yeah, right, hun. And then I cook
in 3 minutes.
instant food.
Instant food.
Hand and son. There's no camera. It's off. Hi guys, good morning. Nagre-reply lang ako guys. Oh, ganito lang tong buhok ko. And it's snowing. What time is the snow start, han? And do you have any idea when this stop?
They said the next half hour.
Next half hour?
That's what they said.
Nag-snow. Hopefully the temperature won't make the snow icy. I just been replying your comment guys. I don't have any breakfast. They don't have a breakfast thing here.
No breakfast in here.
I just have my coffee and that's it. And also I'm watching Say's vlog with Chris Aquino. I always watch Tioko's vlog. Look at this guys. They said it's snowing but they don't have a blanket guys. Mama doesn't bring blanket. Oh.
Did it with treat.
Twice big thing. Here when like I don't see it. I was.
want to give you a little treat.
Yeah, and that's why they don't eat the breakfast.
Treat.
Yeah, I don't get that. I don't get that cases.
They're not picking on you. You're picking on them.
The way you do it, the way you do it. Look at her face. You're going out now?
I'm going to shovel them and throw some salt and hopefully it'll keep it wet and dry it.
Okay, I'll go with you.
Help me.
I have a thing. I'm going to wear this thing. And look, is it okay?
No, it doesn't get destroyed. Just stay here. Just stay inside.
No, this one. Oh.
Fine, wear those.
Okay. This ugly like an alien look, huh?
Yeah.
This one. I'm going out just to watch him. Hala, yung snow guys. Ay, hindi naman siya sobrang ano pala. You cannot go out this way. You stay there. You stay there. You cannot go out, Rox. Yung sasakyan namin guys. Napuno siya, napuno. Tignan mo, snow. Snowballs. Nilinis ko tong sasakyan guys. Sabi pa niya, linisin mo na daw yung itim. Ay nako talaga. It's not really thick snow. It's not really a lot. But seems like the snow is just palagi pang nahuhulog. Pero maliit lang naman yung nahuhulog now. So I think this is okay. It's not bad. Roxy, look. Okay, coming in.
Nothing from nothing, leave nothing. Huh? Big old puppin.
She's looking at you.
I got no salami for you. I got no salami for you. Seatbelt.
Here's what's happening.
There's a lady.
Today on the plant, thousands of
Sammy is listening always.
their commute.
10 wins. We are going to grocery store again. Oopsie. There's no more creamer. Nagundang na yung ano guys. Nag-stop na yung snow. Thank you. Hold it. I'm with them guys.
You good?
It's really good.
Is it? Alright, that's fine. Give me 2 1-pound packs of that.
This is what happens when you go out hungry. Bye. Guys, nagutom ulit ako guys. So, nag-ano na lang ako, humingi na lang kami ng ano, yung turkey sa daily. So, dun kami. Yun na lang kinain ko na okay naman. So, tignan natin kung anong resulta nito. Naghanap kami ng dog wipes. I say dog wipe, not toy. They have so many toys already, so that's it.
Collar, just another note. So they can pick up one day, you never see them again.
Only they have toys already. I think they don't have it. Don't get another toy. Hi guys, sobrang init guys, as in. Oh, hindi naman sobrang init. I mean, it's cold, but the sun is shining above us. Hi baby, it's not under us, huh? No.
I'll make sure a little bit behind me.
No, because there's no camera in here.
There is.
It's not properly clear. It's not. I don't even see it anymore.
It's in here.
Oh, it's in the mirror.
Right. You've been driving another car too long.
Anyway, guys. What did you tell him? That's really good turkey, though.
I told him. I asked him if the turkey was any good, and he said, "You want to try a slice?" I said, "What? Yeah." I said, "But she needs to try it." So he gave me 2 slices, one for each of us.
That's right. The turkey is really good, guys. That's like if you do sandwich with that, so good. But if you are really hungry, it's more good. That's the thing. And then we're waiting for the Asian
Hot
dishes, hot foods, and they're not ready yet. They said 20 minutes.
We lied.
They're not there yet, so I end up getting. Hold on. I end up getting bagel garlic. I found a bagel garlic this time, but you know it's Stop and Shop bakery. I don't know how good it is. It's already 10:55 and wala akong breakfast. I just have coffee because they don't have nothing in this house.
Because you come down with, we always have food this house.
Nothing.
Come down with this look on our face, guys.
Yeah, right, hon. Because somebody threw my boots.
Nobody touch your boots.
You know my
You
boots.
and Andrea, the only ones who've been playing with stuff, so find them. What you did with them.
That's the only boots I have, and Tommy got it. It's not cheap freaking boots, and that's the only one for snow. And I lost it. The other house, I dig the whole house over there. It's not there. Every freaking room is not there.
See, yeah, I can't go by that, guys.
Yeah.
That time she tells me it's not in there. I look, and I go there. I open it up. It's right there.
Han, I look everywhere. You know, we don't have a lot of stuff in the house yet, so I know. Guys, we're gonna go home, guys. I'm gonna eat bagel. Bagel and
Poor
bagel.
dog.
Han, how you see it, Han? Bagel, 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 right? Bagel,
Bagel.
bagel.
Beagle is a dog.
Han, yes, what you said?
Beagle.
How you say it?
Bagel.
Bagel.
Bay.
Bay.
Like a little body of water. A bay.
Ah,
There
so
you
it's
go.
not B.
Not beagle. Bagel.
Bagel. Ay, Jid, you have to A. You have to ooh.
It's spelled with an A too, huh?
Bay. Bay. Beagle. Bagel.
Outback beagles.
Bagel. Why, a beagle is a dog?
Beagle is a dog.
What kind of dog is a beagle?
Kind Jimmy boy had it.
I never see a beagle dog.
They have little stubby legs.
Stubby. Ah, it's like a
With the
dwarf
long ears.
one.
Look at the short
Ah,
legs.
long ear?
Look at the short legs.
Short legs is like a dwarf.
Not a dwarf, it's a beagle.
A dwarf dog. Dog out.
Who let the dogs out?
Bagel. Hopefully, itong bagel na ito is masarap. Kasi may mga bagel na hindi masarap. Garlic naman kasi gusto namin ng mag-asawa na garlic talaga yung flavor. It's really soft. It's not crazy. Hard. Ha? Yeah. It's no garlic taste whatsoever.
What's some garlic powder?
Oh, there is. A little bit.
The garlic is just on top.
Yeah.
It's not in the bread, you know that, right?
Mm-hmm. I taste garlic.
Look at everybody staring at us.
Mm-hmm. Sarap niya, guys. Iwan ko, guys, kung ano ang kinakalkal nila dun. May kinakalkal sila dun ay. Anong kinakalkal-kalkal niyo dyan, oy? Bakit nagdidig yung simod-simod niyo dyan, oy? Ano kayang ano nito? Tom is outside, guys. Shriveling. The pain! The pain! The pain! The pain! Look at her eyes, okay? You will see a white... Look at that. Okay. We're gonna ignore her. Tawagin natin later. Mister, tignan niyo yung mata. Ganyan siya, guys. Hindi siya lumihok. Hindi siya gagalaw, pero yung mata lang niya yung gagalaw. Hold on. Mister? Again.
What about this one? It's kind of the same, but it didn't have stained glass.
Mister? You're so cute, baby. Oh, every time I said cute, you come up. You know you're the cute one. No, come to mama. Come up here. Up. I said, get up here. Please, up here, baby. Up. I love you. You're my baby. Come here, Rox. She's just listening. She doesn't like when I call her sister and it's not her. She's coming. Come here. Tush. Nagligid-ligid. Malagi daw yun ba? Magpaligid-ligid. Look at that tail, guys. Magpaligid-ligid. Malagi daw yun ba? Paligid-ligid. Paligid-ligid. I love you, oy. I love you so much, oy. Hello. Hello. I love you now. I love you. Oh, I love you, babies. No, mamas. No, oy. Mama's baby. Oy, no. I love my baby.
Alright.
Alam nyo, guys, kung anong sinabi. Alam nyo, guys, kung anong sinabi ng asawa ko, guys. Sabi pa niya, guys, I came over here and doesn't cook from the scratch. And then I use
He never
instant.
does. He throws instant food in there.
And
Anything
then
that
I
they cook
cook
in 3 minutes.
instant food.
Instant food.
Of course, guys, I got here last night.
Pre-cooked food, just heat it up.
You know what, hon? I got here last night late, so I'm lucky. You know, you're lucky I get something instant food. If you don't want me to cook instant food, don't buy instant food, Tommy. Like complaining, he want me to come here and cook a real food.
Well, you were sitting here and say, "Oh, there's no food in this house. There's no humba." No. Like I should be sitting. And
What is
crazy stuff when you're
what is
not
a
here.
what?
Humba.
Humba, guys, ba?
Oh, humna.
Do you want me to cut some onion and pickle it? Han, dance, Han. Han, can you dance, Han?
No.
Han, there's no camera. It's off.
I don't believe that either.
Okay, this is Tammy's masterpiece.
Freaking sandwich.
Okay, it's a sandwich. It's a really good looking sandwich, son. You can put it in the billboard and then sell it. Oh my god.
I'm gonna make a snowman with a tail. If you like the snow, she'll be Roxy. When I hit her, she's gonna wail. Let's see if it's a snowball. Yeah, snow still. Oh, it's not really. Catch it. Catch it. Catch it. Ready? Catch it. Catch it. Up. You didn't even get close. You're really lousy at that.
It's... Throw it, hon. She thinks she can eat the whole thing. She still have it in her mouth. Throw it to her face. Roxy, color.
There you go, miss.
Roxy like it. Just throw it. Don't make it like a very hard one, Han, and then throw it to Roxy's face. Don't do a hard one. look, throw it to her face. Look. Just do it, Han. Ay, it's cold, Han. Let's come in. It's freezing. Come in, miss. I know you're like...
I don't like that game.
Yeah, she's not liking it.
Put it in my face. I don't like that.
Hey, Mythicals! Oh my God, guys. Tignan nyo naman, guys. Nag-i-edit ako ng video. Pero tignan mo, ang galing ng asawa ko, guys. Pinakain ako ng pampataba. Sige, guys. I-test natin ito, guys. Tignan natin, guys. Ang sarap ng bacon. Sabi pa ni Tammy, BLT. Han?
Yeah.
How do you call this?
BLT.
It says BLT daw ito, guys. So, anyway, lunch namin ito, guys. Late lunch na because it's 3:33 na ng hapon. So, that means magdi-dinner kami late. It's good, Han. Thanks, baby boy.
No problem.
Where is yours?
I'm working on it. Still waiting for bacon.
Oh, thanks for loading, sweet.
So will Lucky's tools. Right. You know what? You tell Dr. Brennan and them that their best chance of finding Lucky's blood is to check the steps
You have a
on his
nice
toolbox
eyelashes.
first.
I wish I have that lashes.
These tools belong to Melvin Carr.
What about Davy Benson's tools?
Not a trace. Completely clean.
Looks like a pretty good match to the murder weapon.
Unfortunately, a lot of people have that tool, including Lucky and his stepson.
So I compared Lucky's roll of plastic to the sheeting that Booth confiscated from Melvin Carville. Money can buy.
Which one made our pot?
Well, I compared isotopes from turkey number 3.
The pot is made from Lucky's plastic sheeting.
Correct.
Indicating that he was killed at one of his own job sites.
Yeah, it's a reasonable conclusion.
Guys, ano na bang oras? It's 5:24 na ng hapon. Gabi na, guys. Hindi na hapon. Gabi na talaga kasi ngit-ngit na, guys. I'm making string beans. Usually, guys, kung magluluto kami ng string beans at saka asparagus, ang gagawin namin, i-boil. And then, when it's finally cooked, get rid of the water. And then, Pagkatapos, lagyan namin ng Italian dressing, which is so boring, guys. Italian dressing palagi, yun talaga. So now, yung niluluto ko yung asparagus, ganun din ang gagawin ko sa string beans na ito. Malaki siya. Ikakat ko lang yung end niya kasi may tusok-tusok pa ba.
Someone out there calling her pet.
Maybe it's a cat.
I don't know what it is, but I hear someone out there, come on, whatever. And they just like going nutty and ignoring me.
You are very crazy, that's why. Like, that? No. Don't lick yourself. That's not for you. Hi guys, i-insert ko lang itong shoutout guys ha, because nakakolek na ako ng madami-dami na magpapa-shoutout. So, hi to Gloria Ricamora from Doha, Qatar. Hi! Hi to Norhima Sauti from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Hi! Hi to Abigail Di Guzman from Cabanatuan City. And also, hi to MaryAnn Bidoya. Hi from Cebu. Hi! Ikaon mo na lang ako ng litson girl. Hi. And also, hi to Alex Richard Beltran Garcia from Saudi Arabia. Hi! Margie R. Golio Gleason and sa anak niyang sina Ashley. Hi! Thank you for watching. Hi to Amor Gilang or Gilang Baliais. And shout out to Juvie P. Daeg. Hi! Also, hi to Leslie La Asido. She's from Japan. Hi! Also, hi to Goshigan. Yung asawa ko. So, hi and happy birthday this coming December 19. Probably it's late. To Ilma Tumaning. Hi sis, happy birthday belated. Sorry, late na ako nakapag-rate. And hi to Rose Junida Diluson. Hi! Hi to Jing Chan at saka sa asawa niyang si Dave Castano. Hi! Belated happy birthday Dave Castano. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys sa next shoutout. Insert shoutout. Kinukulik ko yung lahat. Who is that? Is that my baby boy? Did you listen to the other rocks? You stay down here. Okay? You stay down here, huh? Stay.
You know, they don't come unless you invite them. You know
Yeah, I
that?
know. Yeah. That's why I said you have to stay. They know it. Once you will go upstairs and then you stay down here, okay? Night-night. Night-night. You stay down here. Hi, guys. The dog is downstairs. And we're going to see night-night. I'm early tomorrow. I'm looking for something though. I cannot find it. I don't know where is it. Anyway guys, good night guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow guys. I'm early tomorrow. Bye. Good night. See you night-night.
Hey guys.
Yung hangin guys, sobrang lakas yung hangin at saka ice yung road.
What makes you think you're worth it?